To get the most out of the TD Bank CD calculator, it is essential to understand how it works and the common issues that may arise. The TD Bank CD calculator is a tool used to determine the interest earned on a certificate of deposit. First, let's start with the basics. The calculator requires you to input the principal amount, the interest rate, and the term of the CD. The principal amount is the initial amount of money deposited into the CD. The interest rate is the rate at which the bank pays interest on the CD. And the term is the length of time the money is deposited for. One common issue with the TD Bank CD calculator is incorrect input. If the inputs are not accurate, the results will not be reliable. For example, if the interest rate is entered as a percentage instead of a decimal, the calculator will not provide the correct results. Another issue is not considering the compounding frequency. The compounding frequency is how often the interest is added to the principal amount. If the compounding frequency is not correctly selected, the results will not be accurate. It is also important to consider the fees associated with the CD. Some CDs may have fees for early withdrawal, and these fees can impact the overall return on investment. The TD Bank CD calculator may not take these fees into account, so it is essential to factor them in when making calculations. To get the most out of the TD Bank CD calculator, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the CD before using the calculator. This will help ensure that the inputs are accurate and the results are reliable. Additionally, it is crucial to compare the results from the TD Bank CD calculator with other investment options. This will help determine if the CD is the best investment choice. In conclusion, the TD Bank CD calculator is a useful tool for determining the interest earned on a certificate of deposit. However, common issues such as incorrect input, not considering the compounding frequency, and not factoring in fees can impact the accuracy of the results. By understanding how the calculator works and considering these factors, you can make informed investment decisions.